Hi guys, in this video we will study about NumPy, how we can create one-dimensional or multi-dimensional arrays, what is the difference between array and list, then we will study how we can perform different operations on arrays. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. As we know that Python is a high-level, general-purpose interpreted programming language that is widely used in scientific computing and engineering. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. NumPy, or you can say Numerical Python, is an open source module of Python that provides functions for fast mathematical computations on arrays and matrices. So here we can perform any mathematical operations, we can solve any equation, we can perform differentiation, integration, we can plot any graph, we can do statistics. There are various applications of Python. Okay, so to use NumPy, we first need to import NumPy. So we will type command import NumPy as MP. If NumPy is not installed in your laptop or computer, then you can type the command pip install NumPy. Here NP is used as a short form. Import NumPy as NP. Now arrays can be of two types, that is one-dimensional, also known as vectors, and the other is multi-dimensional arrays, that is called matrices. So here first we have taken any list containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can create an array using this list. np.array, in the bracket we have written list. So now if we type the command lst, then the list will be printed. If we print the command print, in the bracket we have written a1. So here our array will be displayed. An array is created containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also create two-dimensional arrays, as you can see here. To see the type of array, type the command type, in the bracket write a. Just write the command type, in the bracket array. So in the output it will display class numpy.ndArray. To see the shape of the array, type a.shape. Now what is the difference between NumPy arrays versus Python list? So as you know that we have created NumPy array using the list. Once a NumPy array is created, we cannot change its size. In that case, you will have to create a new array or you have to override the existing one. NumPy array contains elements of homogeneous type, means it contains elements which are of same type. It cannot contain different types of elements, unlike the list. NumPy arrays occupies less space than Python list, and in NumPy array we can perform vectorized operation, we can add two arrays, we can subtract two arrays, we can concatenate two arrays, but in list we cannot perform vectorized operation. So here we have taken a list lst is equal to containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we type the command lst plus 2, so it will give the error, it will display the error. But we can perform vectorized operation on arrays. So if we type a1 plus 2, so 2 will be added in all the elements. Now what are the different ways of creating the NumPy arrays? We can create empty array containing 0 element, or in that case the computer will take any garbage value. We can create array containing element 1. The ones function works in the same manner as empty and returns a new array with all the ones as its elements. Arange function is used to create array from a range. So here we are creating an array using arange function from range 1 to 10. Here 2 is the interval or the step value. It will start from 1 and it will go until 9, and there will be a gap of 2 because 2 is the interval. So now we display the value of AR. So we get an array containing elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next we can also create an array using the linspace function. Linspace function is used to create an array of range. So here we have created an array of 6 values which is created between the values, that is 2 and 3. So in between 2 and 3 there are 6 values. It will give decimal values between 2 and 3, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8. To create two-dimensional arrays, we can pass two lists or we can write the shape function. We can create two-dimensional array from one-dimensional array using reshape function. Reshaping means changing the arrangement of items so that the shape of the array changes while maintaining the same number of dimensions. We are creating an array, that is B. B is equal to np.arange 10. So it will create an array containing 10 elements from 0 to 9. Now we can change the shape of array from 1D to 2D by using the function reshape. So here we have created an array, 2D array containing 2 rows and 5 columns. So in the bracket we will type 2, 5. So here we have created two-dimensional array containing 2 rows and 5 columns. Now since the array contains 10 elements, so we cannot convert it into an array of 3 by 3. Otherwise it will give an error. Joining of two arrays in NumPy is done using concatenate function. This function is used to join two or more arrays same shape. In case of 2D array, this function concatenate two arrays either by rows or by columns. There are two functions, one is hstack and vstack. Hstack performs horizontal and vstack performs vertical concatenation of two arrays, and hence the output is obtained. We can perform vectorized operation on arrays such as arithmetic, element-wise, aggregate, set operations. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.